Luma AI versus ChatGPT. Which AI tool is better? Choosing the right AI assistant can transform your creative workflow or productivity without wasting time. Luma AI focuses on visual content, while ChatGPT excels in conversational tasks. Luma AI and ChatGPT are powerful AI tools but serve different purposes. Luma AI specializes in generating and enhancing images and videos, whereas ChatGPT is designed for natural language understanding and text-based interactions. This core difference shapes their unique strengths. Luma AI is an advanced AI platform that focuses on creating and improving visual content using deep learning techniques. It works by analyzing images and videos to generate realistic 3D models, enhance photo quality, or produce new visuals from text prompts. Its strengths lie in high-quality rendering and versatility for creators in design, gaming, and media production. Luma AI integrates smoothly with creative workflows, offering tools for detailed editing and rapid prototyping. However, it requires some familiarity with visual software and may demand significant computing resources for complex tasks. Ideal users include digital artists, video producers, and developers seeking to automate and elevate their visual content creation without manual modeling or editing. ChatGPT is a conversational AI developed by OpenAI that excels in understanding and generating human-like text. It operates by processing input text and producing coherent, context-aware responses, making it suitable for customer support, content creation, coding assistance, and brainstorming. Its key strengths include versatility in language tasks, ease of use, and integration with various platforms through APIs. ChatGPT's limitations include a lack of direct visual content generation and dependence on textual input quality. It may sometimes produce plausible but incorrect information, so user validation is important. The ideal user is anyone needing advanced conversational AI for writing, research, tutoring, or automating communication, especially where natural language understanding is critical. Luma AI and ChatGPT serve distinct roles. Luma AI shines in visual creativity, producing 3D models and enhancing images, while ChatGPT dominates text-based communication and problem-solving. For example, a game developer might use Luma AI to generate realistic character models, but rely on ChatGPT to write dialogue or code snippets. Luma AI demands more powerful hardware and creative expertise, whereas ChatGPT is accessible to a wider audience with minimal setup. Trade-offs include Luma's focus on visuals at the expense of language capabilities, and ChatGPT's text proficiency without native image generation. Choosing between them depends on whether your priority is visual content creation or conversational AI assistance. Choose Luma AI if your main goal is high-quality visual content creation and 3D modeling, especially for creative professionals and digital artists. Opt for ChatGPT if you need a versatile conversational AI for writing, coding, or customer interaction. Both tools excel in their domains, so aligning your choice with your primary needs ensures the best results for your AI-driven projects.